No, we have decided to protest this morning. There has been an ongoing issue with the disrespect that the principal has been meted out by workers who are there. These persons have chosen to go and get ministry involved. They have been making numerous complaints of lies to the ministry, as well as they have also gotten a union delegate to come to represent them. Now we have one particular worker who her contract has ended and she wants to be reinstated. And as a result of that, she has been, in truth and in fact, she has been really disrespectful to the school, the parents, and also to the principal, where she has named the school as the dirty school, right? Her position is to clean the girls' bathroom. She has refrained from doing that because numerous occasions I've gotten complaints, I've seen for myself, where the bathroom has been left dirty. She has abandoned her position when she should be by the bathroom to be monitoring it. She's over by our house or gone about her business, or she's under the tree where the security is. Now, these are things that I don't need second-hand information to know. I am here, right? And as a result of that, she has been to ministry and they have chosen to reinstate her. Now the principal, because of frustration, he says he's not staying here once she's being reinstated. And I can understand why. This cannot continue because these group of persons have been disrespectful to the principal, even in front of other students, in front of other parents. We have other parents who assist the school, right? And they have been disrespectful to them, myself included, where I had to really put a check on her to let her understand that if she has a personal growth with me, then she needs to come and say what it is so we can work it out, right? They have not chosen to do that because they don't want to do anything peacefully. So as a result, they have been giving the principal a fight.
I have a daughter attend the Central Branch All-Aid School in grade 5. She coming home crying yesterday, Mommy, Mr. Sutherland gone. So what I'm here to say today, no sir, no school. If sir don't come back, she won't be at school. That's my point. No sir, we need back Mr. Sutherland. Mr. Sutherland is a good man, good principal, good father, good everything to the students, everyone from grade 1 to 6. If your children don't have any lunch, you must say, make them come to my office. If I even feed lunch, you must give the student them. So no sir, no school. We need them to check the ratio from the principal before to when Mr. Sutherland come here. All the passes have been great here. So no Mr. Sutherland, no school.